My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How to Create Child Profile in Word Doc on One Mom's Perspective. Searches on Google will give you templates and examples. However, you can customize your child's profile in Word Doc by inserting text boxes. Here's how I did it. Resizing and inserting a text box will be a recurring function. To place photos and text box, use this function, wrap text in front of text. The purpose of this profile page answers the question, how could you help me? And there you have it, a one-page child profile by inserting text boxes into a Word document. Thanks for watching.